and we can't in a Jamaican dinner without Delaveaus, of course. Who gets sick? Who gets sick? Daddies, you get sick, Daddy?
You.
Not this time, next one. Next one.
Babies, you get sick, then?
You.
Me. Who won the first game?
You.
Me. Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new beautiful day here on this side of the world, and we are alive and well and up and bubbling since early this morning. You guys, by the title, you guys will know what's good. I'm meeting somebody new today. You guys, there's a Jamaican that moved here in my city by the name of Daniel. Daniel and I has been speaking for a few months now, for probably like about 2 going 3 months since she moved to this city, and we're yet to meet in person, but that's about to change right now. Today, you know guys, when there's another Jamaican close by or there's a Jamaican anywhere around, you just gotta find them. So that's what's happening today. Daniel is coming over for lunch, she and her husband. So of course you don't know me have to cook enough Jamaican food. Look, you see the dutchie, so you already know what's good. Daniel is coming over and we're gonna have a real Jamaican day today. So I woke up this morning and I threw down. You know, you guys know how I do when I'm in the kitchen. So that's what happened today. So for starters, let me just show you guys what's good in the kitchen. You guys already know what I cook, right? No different today. So let's go over here. I didn't take you guys through the process this morning because when I was cooking nobody was awake, so I just knocked out cooking and went right back to sleep, and then woke up and got fresh and all that good stuff because they soon come over. It's almost lunch hour. So let me show you real quick all the things that I made today. So it's Sunday, y'all. Rice and peas. Yeah, shorty. Rice and peas is there. The chicken gravy under here don't want open. All right, see that the jerk sauce I go on with itself, and Danielle says she want a saltfish, so a can saltfish is right there. And then you already know what's in the dutchie. Yes girl, one pata curry goat. You can tell some I don't cook a long time, don't it? The way it settle. Yes, goody. So see the curry goat, they are going with itself and just a wait for teeth and tongue right now. So that a guan pan, what a guan. What else you guys think I cook? Let me show you. Wait, you not done. Oh, you didn't think it done? No, say not done yet. Me have to give her the whole of Jamaica. You already know. Look at that. Jerk chicken, honey child. Yes. So that's the jerk chicken. Wait, it's still not done yet. It's not done yet. You think it done? No, girl. It's not finished. I have a little bit of festival going here, which the kids will enjoy that part. And then we have salad over here. And then over here, we have a little fruits. So I'm going to put some chips to go with that. And then I am going to, what else? We have drinks coming. We have drinks coming, and Danielle insists on bringing something, so she's doing the dessert. She's bringing the dessert. Let me hear Sarah eating. Give this to Mama. Thank you. Here. You want grapes? Here, grapes. 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 Let me see on your hand. Why Sarah have slime on her hand, Tyler? Yes, Tyler.
It's
12 o'clock.
Yes, she's coming 12:30. So 12:30 is lunch. So you can start off some chips until they come. Or I'm gonna throw this one.
I'm going to buy this too.
Hold on, I soon throw it out. What was I saying? Sarah distracted me. Yeah, so Daniel's bringing the dessert, and yeah, that's what's going on today. So it's going to be a good day. I'm gonna meet her for the first time, so we're gonna have a good little chat, and her hubby is also coming, so the kids are here. Say good morning to the face.
Why?
Tyler is hungry, he's ready to eat. And you, say morning. Say good morning. Come on. What's going on here? What's going on here? Tyler, leave her. She's not in the mood.
to say.
Look at her. You have to come up? And to come up? Come.
But
You want to say something to kids?
so as you know, me and the brother of Sarah, or then the big brother, and Sarah is my little sister.
Okay. That's all you want to tell them?
Yes, and I'm gonna tell you why is that. Because I'm
Which?
bigger than Sarah.
Okay.
Because I'm 5 years old, and Sarah is 6, and Nina 1 year old. And so that mean all together that mean both of the kids are 6 years old, because 1 plus 5 equals 6.
Oh, you're smart. Okay. Hey you.
And it's the same thing for the adults. The adult is 32 plus 33. And 32 plus 33 equal 3 plus 3, wait, 5 equals 65.
Good job.
So
How you know
that?
that?
For the adult is 65.
How you know it's 65?
Because 3 plus 3 equals 6. 2 plus 3 equals 5.
Good job.
So that makes 65.
Good job.
See, now I know my math.
Good job, math brain. And you know what? What do you know?
A, B, C, and numbers. I know A, B, C,
Because
and
you're wiping something
numbers.
on me. What you have to say for yourself? Dun.
A, B, C, and numbers. Sarah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Sarah, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Sarah, count.
Count in French.
No. Sarah.
She said no.
Sarah.
She said no. Leave her alone. She don't walk
4,
out.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your turn.
Anyway, you guys, we're gonna hang around until Daniel gets here in another 20 minutes. So we'll see you guys when they arrive. Okay? Jamaican lingo is on 100 right now. I'm excited!
He's another fan.
I could tell because you're not much on Daniel Instagram.
No, he's the one behind
Say
the camera.
hello, Dan. Say hello, JG. Ah! Can you guys tell I'm excited? I'm excited. They're here. And the Jamaica food is lit.
That's the most important.
That's it.
They're waiting. So I'm not going to even keep you guys long. We're going to dig in. And Sarah is already into the festival. Can you guys tell? When your eyes close, that's good. That's good. All right, you guys sit there and we're going to dig in. Ready?
Ready?
Yes. Come, honey. We're waiting on you.
La plus forte. Non, la plus forte des nuls. Il y a plus de nuls.
Yummy. Yummy. All right. Ready to eat, honey? Yes. All right.
Non, avec un
The
appel.
French dessert.
Framboise.
Tu aimes bien la framboise? Framboise. And this one is vanilla. I thought we can't in a Jamaican dinner without Domino's, of course. Who gets sick? Who gets sick? Daddies, you get sick, Daddy?
Not this time, next one. Next one.
Babies, you get sick, then?
You.
Me. Who won the first game?
You.
Ah, me.
Leading right now is Mama.
High
Who can
five.
count
You're
to
the
8?
one that's leading. Because you're the only one that.
Oh my gosh, you guys, we're back to being alone. I wish they never had to go, but guess what? They're just down the road, like not even 30 minutes. I should say about 15 minutes or less than that. Anyway, you guys, Danielle and her husband left, and Tyler also left us. Tyler is at his friend for the rest of the afternoon. So it's just me, Sarah, and Papa. What happened? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want?
Please.
You're saying please, but you're not telling me what do you want. And snack? Come and have it. This one? No, just one. Thank you. You're welcome. She said thank you. Anyway, you guys, we had an amazing time with Danielle and her husband, and Tyler friend was here, and we also had a good time with them. Now it's time for me to feed Sarah dinner, get some editing done, and relax with my husband for the rest of the evening. It wasn't much, but hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I'll see you guys in a bit. She got her admiring herself. Tell Fibs night night. Tell them tomorrow. Say tomorrow. Night night.
Bye bye. Go.
Give them kisses. Head.
No.
Where is mouth? Where is eyes? Eyes? Where is ears? Where is cheek?
Teeth.
Yeah, cheek. Where is tongue? Tongue. Alright, you guys, it's time for Sarah to go to bed. Say night night.
So.
Ah! Alright, let's go. Let go. You want water? The water, please. My God, I can't find my glasses, you guys. Look at me.
She lost her glasses, so she need glasses to find her glasses. That's what we say.
It's somewhere in the house. I just can't get up to go look for it. You guys are coming on to end today's vlog with my tired face, my eyes I can hardly open.
Aww.
You haven't talked to the faves all day. We
What do you
don't
mean?
fire you. They see you, but you haven't talked to them. If you come in to justify that I was paparazziing you, yeah, I'm always paparazziing you.
That was a good day. That was a great day.
That was an
Thank you.
amazing
I enjoy
day.
my day. I hope you enjoyed the day too, because I enjoyed mine. And yes, I had a good
Danielle
time.
is the absolute sweetest, and her husband is just as sweet as she is.
We really have good time. The food was good. Thank you for the chef. I don't know where you order it. Where you order it is which food store you ordered it, which restaurant, but it was good. I would like to come back. The domino party was good. I enjoyed playing domino.
Yes, we played dominoes. I don't know if you guys, yes, I think you guys saw us playing dominoes. We played quite a few games.
We
Babe and I
played
teamed
team.
up.
We were connected. Wow, that's why really we got connected.
You see, it was long, but that's really we got connected. We were good.
It's very that when she win, I was happy. Usually when she win, I'm not happy at all. But this time when she won, I was happy. I said, yes, I helped her to win.
You were happy for me for once.
No, not for the beginning when you were up against me. When you were with me, I was happy.
Because I kicked your butt in the beginning.
I'll let you win. That's the loser sentence. I'll let you win. I had pity on you. I'll let you win.
Good to know that you're happy for me.
Yes, after I was very happy for you. I was very happy. You know, when we are 4, if there's one person that need not to win is me, right? We are in competition together. So we want the others to win than one of each other.
That's true.
But we play in the same team and we were a very, very, very good team. I'm very proud of you.
We made a good team no matter what we do,
Yeah.
baby.
When we play individual,
We were so connected.
that's the lesson of the day. When we play individual, we don't win. When we play team, we win.
That can work. You have little sense.
Proud of myself.
Yeah, little bit of sense. But she hurted me. I love it too much. Ow. Anyway, you guys gonna see a lot of Danielle and JD because they live in Nice and I'll be seeing them every now and then. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. There we go with the finds of another Jamaican in the corner. Love you guys. If you did enjoy today's vlog, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.